welcome to the next ReeVlog. Welcome to Kett's Heights as well. I figured I would start here because it was more or less on the way back from my Gas Hill run, which is the first thing I've done this morning. Sort of got up, went to the loo, and then came downstairs, had some water, and then came over here because I figured if I've got a sprint first thing in the morning anyway, and I've got a sprint up Gas Hill on a Saturday, why not make them both the same sprint? And then I did. My time was like 1 minute 20 seconds 0.3. This time I used a timer rather than recording. But yeah, it took me a couple moments to process that the timer had started before I set off, and obviously I pressed it as soon as I could when I got to the top, but that took a little bit, so it was probably closer to 1 minute 20 than 1 minute 21, but that's about the only difference I can think it would make, which is fine. I really sprinted really hard, 35 seconds. I checked, and then I tried to keep going, and I ended up walking, and then jogging, and then walking, and then jogging, on and off. Only walking a few steps, jogging a few more. At the end, I finished in a jog, though it's very hard to jog up a steep surface. But yeah, I'm quite proud of that. I'm quite proud of the amount of work I managed to get done yesterday. I got, I think, around 8 hours done, not including fitness training, which obviously means that I've done over 8 hours, which is effectively the goal. Do 8+ hours a day means I'm working at least more than everyone else. Hopefully, I'll also be working harder. Working more and working harder means I'll end up with better results, provided that 40% luck comes my way. I'll be doing less work today. It is the weekend after all, but I'll still be working today. I have to update my newsletter from yesterday. Just stick in a hyperlink on a thing, newsletter 17. I mentioned the fact that I've got my things for sale, my journal, my ebook, and my workbook. And the journal wasn't available at the time, so I couldn't put a link to it on the bit where it says, "Hello, martial arts training journal," whoa, or whatever it is. So I have decided, since I got an email this morning saying that it is available now, I will just stick the hyperlink in. I also have D&D tonight, which isn't work, which is one of the reasons why I'm not going to be working too hard. I want to be relatively fresh for that, because I haven't spoken to my friends in like a couple weeks, really, apart from like sort of Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So that'll be nice, and also I can get a little bit of the D&D obsession out of my bloodstream, because there's a lot there. And going forward, there's 2 other things I have to do today. Don't remember what they are, one of which is work on PT training. I plan on getting 4 hours in on that, and I have no idea what the other thing is at the moment, but whatever. The Gas Hill run was the first of my things, but I've done that. But I do also need to cook and clean and such, so I'll do that as well. But yes, it is the 2nd today, I think. It doesn't say. 2nd, 3rd, I don't know, something like that. Which means sort of 2 weeks on my birthday. Wow! I'm very excited. I'm not really. Just another day for the most part. But I get presents, so I'm excited for that. Though I know I won't be getting much by the way of presents. I've asked for a printer, so hopefully I'll get a printer. We'll see. But yeah, these things, wall remnants or whatever they are, I think would make excellent parkour training things. Just might need to put a few bits of padding around to start with if I get a chance to do that. Regardless though, I'm going to head back to mine and have breakfast, and yeah, I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Bye.